would you like your kids to learn while playing? Hi, I am Vandana, a software engineer by profession and robotics enthusiast by passion. When I was a kid, my father introduced me to the wonderful world of science and machinery with fun experiments and toys. Like setting a note on fire but still not burning it. Please don't replicate this experiment at home without supervision, as it is a very dangerous experiment. But if you want, you can try it with 500 rupee note. But believe me, it really hurts if it goes wrong. And now, I experiment and make simple stuff with my 4-year-old kid. Like this toy, which hopefully will help him to make a walking robot someday. I helped him to make a smart greeting card for his father's birthday, which he keeps on showing to everybody. We made a simple match the following game to learn shapes and letter sounds. Then I thought, why not give the same experience to other kids? So now we present the Robotics Series, where we will start from the very basics and keep on building up as they learn. We will help them build up in 3 areas. Basic mechanics. They will make mechanical toys. For instance, they can make this toy which will help them to understand the working of robotic arm. Electronics. Here they will learn basic circuits in a fun way, like creating the greeting card or by making a dancing robot. Sensors. They can add sensors to make their robots more intelligent and create an obstacle avoiding car or a robotic mop like this one, which I created in this lockdown. As you know, robotics is an interdisciplinary field which involves problem-solving skills, creativity, imagination, maths, and science. So learning robotics will help them to enhance these skills. Then what are you waiting for? Please register using the link in the description below.